South Queens Bay SQ Productions here on 111 Avenue and 132nd Street.
Alright.
With Marv.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah, and talk about the business. Yeah.
Well, the business is going good. We've been here for a little while now. We've been here for at least going on 8 years or some shit like that. Doing pretty good, man. We got like 3 barbers. You know, we do all kinds of haircuts. We specialize in all styles and everything. Oh, yeah, fuck.
And I told right off.
Yeah, so if you want to get a haircut, you can always come to 111th Avenue and 132nd Street in South Ozone Park. And we'll take care of you. Ain't that right, Julie?
Yep. And talk about how you always talk to all the youth around here to do the right thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Good at.
We try to elevate the youth and talk to them on a positive note, so they, try to keep them busy, or try to tell them good work so they don't get in no trouble and stuff like that.
Well, they can start the oldest. Yo.
So basically, we try to be good mentors. That's what older people are supposed to do. Older people are supposed to stray the kids in a positive direction. We don't deal with negativity. We try to uplift the community. You know what I'm saying? So basically, that's it. We talk good things about the kids, positive things. If they need help, if they need to talk to somebody, they can always come here. That's what the barbershop is for. It's a community thing.
What about that IC juice?
Oh, the IC juice is the Mona V. It's called Mona V. It's an antioxidant, and I'm selling bottles of it. It's $40 a bottle. For all you people that's over 30 years old, especially males that's over 30, black men that's over 30 years old, I think they should invest in a bottle of Mona V. And it's actually the active. It's 3 different kinds. It's the active, the pulse, and the original bottle. And the active one is the one that cleans your inside and your colon and cleans all the mucus out of your system. It helps with diabetes, arthritis, high blood pressure and stuff like that. It's real good for you, black men and stuff that's over 30. So that's what I sell that on the side, So, take care of your body, you can live longer. So that's what the Mona V is about. If you're interested, as I said, you can come by here, you can get more information on it. I have a phone number, you can contact me at 1-347-951-2485. And you can also come see me here at 132nd, 111th Avenue, South Ozone Park. Okay?
Anybody wants to ask anything, just hit me up on MySpace, South Queens Bay.
Yeah, hit South Queens Bay up. Me and her is real good people. She's a good friend of mine. Real nice lady.
Like a
and we do it there. It's real. We don't play games. We do it for real. We love the community. We do it for real.
We need community. How about kids and the youth?
Yeah, we love the kids. We try to help whoever we can help. And that's about it. So if you want your haircut, come to 4 Core Cuts. We're open from 10 in the morning to 9 at night, 7 days a week. We have myself, which is I'm Marvelous Marv, and Star, and we have Waz down there. All right? So hit us up. All right? Peace. That was kind of long, man. Y'all got to pay me for that shit. I felt like I was acting.
Why? I had to pay you? I'm promoting you, okay?
So you